All right, welcome back to World Famous. Today we're going to do a steak sandwich. So don't hit up the lunch truck. Just go buy yourself a simple sirloin, nice and thin, some pepper jack cheese, some onions. We'll saute that in some olive oil, salt and pepper. Got the burnt sauce there. World Famous with Mr. Nez, Mr. Oz. All right, we just slapped on a piece of meat on the grill, high temperature. Should be going pretty fast. I would say no more than 3 to 4 minutes per side to get a good medium. And there you have it, steak sandwich already done. Sauteed onions on top, pepper jack cheese, nice onion roll. Put that together. Tasty. World Famous.